finir.
means to finish. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to finish in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
Avoir.
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
Fini.
now. We have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we use this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I finished.
J'ai fini.
You finished. Informal way.
Tu as fini.
He finished. Masculine.
Il a fini.
She finished. Feminine.
Elle a fini.
We finished. Informal way.
On a fini.
We finished. Formal way.
Nous avons fini.
You finished. Formal way.
Vous avez fini.
They finished. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont fini.
They finished. Group of only females.
Elles ont fini.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I finished my work.
J'ai fini mon travail. J'ai fini mon travail.
You finished your homework.
Tu as fini tes devoirs. Tu as fini tes devoirs.
He finished his meal.
Il a fini son repas. Il a fini son repas.
She finished her work.
Elle a fini son travail. Elle a fini son travail.
We finished our dinner.
On a fini notre dîner. On a fini notre dîner.
We finished the book.
Nous avons fini le livre. Nous avons fini le livre.
You finished your project.
Vous avez fini votre projet. Vous avez fini votre projet.
They finished their work.
Ils ont fini leur travail. Ils ont fini leur travail.
They finished their homework.
Elles ont fini leurs devoirs. Elles ont fini leurs devoirs.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai fini. Tu as fini. Il a fini. Elle a fini. On a fini. Nous avons fini. Vous avez fini. Ils ont fini. Elles ont fini.
For your reference, I have summarized the conjugation in a tabular format. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.